Assalamualaikum. Hi children. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Pelita craft. Here are the materials that you need. You will need toilet roll or kitchen roll, color pencils, paper, some paint, blade, paint brushes, and a glue. Cut the toilet roll in the middle using the blade. Paint the toilet roll with your favorite colors. While waiting for the paint to dry, you can start drawing the fire on the piece of paper. Color the fire with red and yellow. Cut it out and paste it inside the pelita. Now your pelita is done. You can decorate your house with the pelita. See you next time. Bye!